Jai Hind friends, warm welcome to our YouTube channel. If you are having any salary or pension income, if you are having any income from share market or mutual fund, so you know very well that ITR 2 need to file. Financial year 24-25, assessment year 25-26, if you have not filed your ITR till date, so it is your last chance to file your ITR 2. So before 31st December 2025, you can file your ITR 2. If your income is up to 3 lakh rupees, no late fees need to pay. 3 lakh to 5 lakh rupees, 1000 rupees late fees will be applicable, and more than 5 lakh rupees income you have to pay 5000 rupees late fees. So without further delay, let's jump into the income tax portal and we are going to file ITR 2 live practically step by step. So friends, you also having any income from share market, from mutual funds, from cryptocurrency, so ITR 2 you need to file for financial year 24-25, assessment year 25-26. 31st December 2025 is the last date to file your ITR, which is belated ITR. If you are having any salary income or any pension income, rental income from one or more property, if you are having any capital gain from share, cryptocurrency or mutual fund, apart from that any income from other source, means apart from the business you can show any income in this ITR 2 form. So what you need to do, you need to download your tax P&L, which can be downloaded from your broker's report, tax P&L, profit and loss account, whatever the name, capital gain statement. Here you can see the charges, the net profit, realized profit, and here short term trades you can show here, and long term trades we will also going to discuss. Here I have highlighted some details. Buy value is this and sale value is this. If you deduct sale price minus purchase price, so it will come automatically 5748, and here you can see the net profit is also coming 5784. So to file your ITR you need to visit any browser in your mobile, laptop or computer. Here we came to Google browser in our mobile, and you have to input incometax.gov.in. then you have to click on this person's icon. It will ask you if you are filing your ITR for first time and you have not registered, then you should register first, and after that you need to click on the login button. Here you need to enter your user ID, which can be either your PAN or your Aadhaar, and after that you need to click on the continue button. And now you need to click on this checkbox and you have to input your password here. If you don't remember your password, just click on the forget password, and with the help of Aadhaar OTP you can easily change your password. Now click on the continue button. Now your income tax portal will be look like this. So friends, before filing your ITR you must check your AIS, TIS and form 26AS. Any transactions you did through your PAN card will be shown here, and make sure to incorporate all the transaction in your income tax return so that you will not get any mismatch notice in future. So what you have to do, you have to click on these 3 lines. Then here you will be able to see the AIS option. Click on that. It will take you to a separate website. Here again you need to click on the AIS, and now you will be able to see TIS and AIS. So simply you can click on the TIS. Financial year will be 24-25. Here any income you have earned like saving interest, FD interest, RD interest, share market, mutual fund, crypto, gold, whatever you have done with your PAN card, it will be shown here. Share market purchase is showing here. So as per your broker's report you should file your ITR, so make sure to show all the transaction in your income tax return. One more thing you need to check, again you just click on these 3 lines, and here you need to click on the e-file income tax return. Now here view form 26AS you need to click. It will again take you to a separate website. Just click on this checkbox and click on the proceed button. Now you need to click on the view tax credit form 26AS. Now here you need to select assessment year 25-26 and view as HTML. So we are selecting here assessment year 25-26, view as HTML. Now click on the view download button. So any TDS deducted will be shown here, part 1, part 2, any form 15G or 250H given, or any reportable transactions will be shown here. To make sure to show all the transactions in your income tax return. Now again we came to the income tax portal. Now we have to select the assessment year, which will be the 25-26. Click on that, and mode of filing should be the online, and it is also recommended by the department. Click on the continue button. If you have earlier tried to file ITR, and then you can resume the same, otherwise you can start new filing and you can file your ITR in fresh mode. Now keep it as individual and click on the continue button. Here you need to select the ITR form. You can know very well an individual can file ITR 1, 2, 3, 4. So we are going to file ITR 2. It is showing for individual and HUF who is not having any business income, and it can be a all-rounder form apart from the business income. So click on the proceed to ITR 2. Now it is showing your new tax regime is default tax regime. Friends, after 16th September 2025, your old tax regime option has been not available now. So you need to file your ITR in new tax regime only. Click on the OK button. Click on the let's get started. Now it will ask you why you are filing your ITR. If your income from all the 5 head is crossing 3 lakh rupees, then click your taxable income is more than basic exemption limit. Otherwise, if you did these of any transactions, then click accordingly. If you don't know or your income is below 3 lakh rupees, just click on the others and click on the continue button. Now you have to select the schedules so that it will be very helpful for you. Income, in income schedule, if you are having any salary income, you can select it. If you are having house property, can select it. Capital gain you need to select, which is going to discuss in our ITR. I-112 means long term capital gain. 115 AD1 for non-resident. If you have sold any equity oriented mutual fund which in STTD is paid. And schedule VDA means cryptocurrency. If you are having any cryptocurrency, we will also discuss income from other source, special income, exempt income. So you can click on the continue button. And now you need not to answer the 17 schedule. Just click the skip the question. The AIS and TIS which you have shown already, and it is showing a message that the ASTS, they have pre-filled some data from ASTS. You can confirm that, you can check them, or you can delete them. Now click on the OK button. Now we need to input our detail step by step. Like in the general information, personal information will get come automatically. Contact detail, if you want to change, you can change. Filing status, friends, you have to file your belated ITR. So 139.4 should be selected here. And here you cannot withdraw from opting out, means you have to file your ITR in new tax regime only. If you are filing your ITR before due date, then it can be selected as yes, and then you can file your ITR in new old tax regime as well. But now you have to file your ITR in new tax regime only. Residential status, this ITR 2 form can be filed by resident as well as non-resident. So click on the resident, or you can select accordingly, and 182 days. So here you need to select no, 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 no. After that, bank account, each and every bank account should be added here, or at least one bank account should be nominated and validated for the refund. Now click on the confirm button. So your part A general information has been confirmed. Now schedule salary. Suppose friends, you are getting form 16, so any salary which is showing in form 16 correspondingly will be shown here. So click on the salary. Now gross salary, add another. Now it will ask you to name of employer, nature of employer, means if you are getting salary, then it is a central government, state government. If you are getting private job, then you can click on the others. Here you can input any name of employer. Address of employer should also be mentioned here, and state you need to select accordingly. And pin code is very important. You can input your pin code as well. And if you are having any breakup of your salary, then you can show here. Click on the add another. Suppose you are getting basic salary which is 20,000 rupees per month, so it came 2,40,000 rupees. So any other thing as per form 16 you can fill here. Click on the save button. So here salary income is 2,40,000 rupees, but 75,000 standard deduction you get, your taxable income become 1,65,000. Now click on the confirm button. Your salary income schedule has been confirmed successfully. So now friends, if you are getting income from house property, if you are not having any salary or house property income, then you can skip this part, income from house property. And if you are getting any rental income, click on the add another. You need to input property, house address, and now you have to input that type of property. Who is the owner? Yourself, your minor, spouse, other. Click on the self, and it is co-owned, means more than one owner is there, so you need to click yes or no accordingly. Here house property type is let out, and how many income you are getting, so you need to click on the add breakup. Then you need to input the name of that tenant. Then you need to click on the mention the rental income, how much rental income you are getting, and after inputting all the detail you need to click on the save button. So our income from house property is also coming 70,000 rupees after getting 30% standard deduction. We have confirmed the thing. Now main and important part of our video, schedule capital gain. So what you need to do, just click on the schedule capital gain. If you want to save your interest under section 234C, so you need to mention the detail in table F of your capital gain. We will discuss that as well. Click on the OK button. Short term capital gain means any share or mutual fund you held and you sold before 12 months, it will consider as short term, and more than 12 months will be considered as long term. So click on the short term. In short term, from land and building, from sale of equity share or equity oriented mutual fund where STT is paid, and section 111A. So we need to input our share detail here. So click on that, and now click on the add another option. So what it will show, it will show you how you can show entire sales. So here it is again showing the section, it will be 11A. Now here you need to mention some detail. Friend, it is showing a date 31st July 2024, because if you have transferred the sale after 23rd of July, then tax rate will be the 20%, and before that tax rate was 15%. So if you do not have any option, any idea, then better to select after 23rd of July. So here what you need to mention, you need to mention full value of consideration, means sale value of the shares. Then deductions, in deductions column you need to input the cost of acquisition without indexation, means purchase value. So here in the first column you need to input the sale of entire equity shares or might be equity oriented mutual fund, and here the purchase value. We have already discussed that sheet. So here our sale value, it is this 6986689, and this is our purchase value. So we have mentioned the sale price, we have mentioned the purchase price, and after that you need to click on the save button. So your short term capital will get come automatically, and apart from that you can take the expenses, any expenses apart from STT in the schedule. Again let me show you here, equity oriented mutual fund or shares. Just click on this icon, click on the edit button. Here the expenses which you have incurred, here expenses wholly and exclusively in connection with the transfer apart from the STT you can claim here. So here long term capital gain, you need to click on that. Here property, any bonds, 112A. So our long term capital gain will be shown here 112A, in which STT is paid. Click on that long term capital gain, click on the edit button. Here again you need to click on the view schedule 112A. Now you need to click on the add another. Share were acquired. If you have acquired the share which you sold as per long term capital gain before 31st January 2018, then you have to mention the each and every shares detail. Otherwise, if you have mentioned after 31st January 2028, so you can show only the consolidated amount. And when you have sold that, as I already told you, if you have sold before 31st July, then tax rate was 10%, and after that the rate become 12.5%. If you don't know, then better to select in 31st of July. Now again you need to mention full value of consideration, means sale value, cost of acquisition means purchase value. Suppose we sold the share of 2 lakh rupees and we purchased the share in 75,000 rupees. So long term capital gain of 1,20,000 rupees will get exempted automatically. You need not to pay any taxes. Here you need to click on the confirm button. Again your capital gain part has become successfully. Now you can click on the save button. Friends, your 5747 short term capital gain is coming, so it will give you a error in future. So better to click on this F information about accrual income. So click on that. Here you need to input your short term capital gain of 20%. Here short term capital gain of 20%, 5747 was your capital gain income. Here you will be able to see the quarter in which you have earned the income. Suppose if you don't know when you have earned the income, then you can simply in 20%, suppose here you can mention here 5747, so that you will not get any error in the validation mode. So click on the confirm button. Now your income from capital gain has been saved successfully. If you have done any crypto transactions, schedule VDA, you need to click again. Schedule F need to be mentioned. Click on the OK button. Click on the add another. Now date of acquisition, each and every entry you need and input here. So date of acquisition means purchase date, date of transfer means sale date, and you have to mention in your capital gain head only. Cost of acquisition means purchase amount, consideration received means sale amount. Then you need to click on the save button. When you click on this income from chargeable other source, click on this arrow button. Dividend, interest, any income you can show here. So any other income you want add manually, click on the add another. Suppose you have earned the tuition income of rupees 5000 rupees, click on that and click on the save button. Now again click on the confirm button. So your income from other source has also been confirmed. Schedule CYLA, carry forward losses is not possible after due date. Brought forward losses, SI special income, you can check your special rate income here and just click on the confirm button. So each and every schedule should be confirmed. Now click on the proceed to verification. So here you need to click on this checkbox. You need to mention the place where sitting you are filing this ITR. Click on the proceed to validation. If there will be any error, it will be shown here. So long term capital gain 12.5% you have not mentioned here. So just you need to click on that particular error and it will rectify accordingly. So friends, it was showing error that you have not mentioned 1,25,000 rupees as long term capital gain in schedule F. We have mentioned 5747 in short term capital gain but not in long term capital gain. Now our validation becomes successful. Click on the preview button. Each and every detail you have mentioned will be shown here in detail, and after that you need to click on the proceed to validation. It will again check any error. If there will be found, it will again show you. Then you need to click on the proceed to verification. You can verify through e-verify now, and it is also recommended by the department. Click on the e-verify now. Click on the continue button. Now you need to use your Aadhaar OTP. Click on this checkbox. Click on the continue button. Click on this checkbox and click on the generate Aadhaar OTP. A 6-digit OTP will come on your mobile and you have to input that OTP and click on the confirm button, and it will again ask you, are you sure to submit this return? Just click on the OK submit button. So your ITR will get filed and you will receive intimation in your email or mobile. So friends, if you need any professional help to file your ITR, feel free to call, message or WhatsApp us. If you have any general query, you can ask in comment box. Thank you so much for watching this video. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.